Here are the top 5 best and hottest YouTube niches for beginners this year that you don't have to show your face or have a lot of experience to get started. If you want to make money this year on YouTube without showing your face or spending hours learning some complicated stuff, this video is for you. My name is IJAPARI Gang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. Today I'm not only going to show you examples of this channel, I'm not only going to mention them, but I'll also tell you how the content is being created, the tools that you need, as well as the monetization strategies that you can use as you choose this niche. In no particular order, the first niche on my list right here is faceless motivation and self-help. And one of the channel I want to use for example right here is Better Than Yesterday or Motivation Hoop. And any channel that I mentioned in this video, I'm going to tag them in the description of this video, because one thing I wouldn't want to do is to become jack of all trade and master of none. So any channel I mention, you can go check them up to see which resonates with you the most. So in creating such channel or creating this type of niche, what are the things that you need? Number one, you need stock videos, and you also need to learn how to do voiceover, as well as you can also use AI voices. So there are some AI tools that I'm going to also mention. I will drop them in the description of this video, the ones you can use. Myself, I use VN for my voiceover. Okay, so those are the things you need to get content for this type of niche or this type of channel. And what tools did you also need? You need Pexels, you need Canva, you can also use CapCut, but I use VN. And if you create a channel with this type of niche, so how do you make money from your own niche or from this channel? Number one is AdSense. Then number two, you can use affiliate link, and number three, you can also create online courses. The second top niche currently that is trending this year is whiteboard animation explainer. And the example, the channel I want to use for example right here is infographics. That channel, they are killing it with the whiteboard animation. So I'm going to also tag them in the description. So what tools do you need for such type of niche? You need Dodly, okay, you need Video Scribe, and you also need Render Forest. So all those, you are going to need them, and you can also use the free version. All the things I mentioned here, I make sure that there are things that you can always use for free, except if you want to go to the higher version. So what type of content do you create? You can create content around money, around health, around productivity, and then their monetization strategy is AdSense as sponsored video. The third hottest niche right now that is trending, and this one is really unsaturated, most especially from Africa and Nigeria, is crypto news and updates. This one, there is low competition right now in Nigeria, so you can use screen recording for that. You can also use voiceover for that, and you don't have to show your face for that. You can just go on X. Okay, if you go on X, you can know what is happening, and you can just use stock videos and then do voiceover on it, and people will come and watch and learn. Especially now with Donald Trump and everything happening in the crypto space, a lot of people want to know what is happening next. And the tools you are going to be needing for this, you need CapCut. You also need to be very active on Twitter, which is X right now. And then how do you make money with crypto news updates channel? You are going to get their AdSense, affiliate link, especially if you are using, you'll be mentioning different exchange. And you can also register to become affiliate or partner with this crypto exchange, so that anyone that use your link from watching your videos, you get commission from that. You can also get sponsors, ad, other exchange can come and pay you for sponsorship while you mention them in your video. The fourth one right now, which is just what I'm talking about, is YouTube tutorials for beginners. There are a lot of people that are understanding that YouTube is here to stay, and YouTube is not just a social media, it's a search engine. I myself, I live my life with my kids, and everything I do all started from YouTube. So one of the example, like write me right here. You can watch my channel. Like currently I'm running a 30 days challenge that you can use to kickstart your YouTube channel. I will drop the link in the description of this video. And another channel I can also recommend for you is Nick Niman. I don't know whether I pronounce his name very well, but I'll drop it right here. So if you can go watch so that you can learn if you want to come and talk about YouTube. But the only thing about talking about YouTube, you must get traction, you must learn, because YouTube is like school. As you create your YouTube channel, as you create content, you need to gain traction, you need to learn one or two things to be able to teach others about YouTube. So how do you do your YouTube? You create content like me right now, just as I'm explaining to you the niches you can go into it. And then how do you make money? With affiliate link, AdSense. You can sell your own product or services, you can write your ebook, you can sell your online courses and all that. The fifth hottest niche on my list right now is online business case studies. Like right now there is a channel, I don't know, I didn't know, I will just put it right here. What he does now is he invites people that make money on the internet and interview them, okay, and he used them as case study and he's documenting it, and you cannot even begin to imagine the number of people that are coming to watch. Myself, I do go there to watch videos because it motivates me, it inspires me. When I see people that are doing better, I also want to become better. So how do you create content around this? You need to share stories, you need to learn storytelling, okay, and you need to learn about interview so that you can ask people, you can use them as case study, all right, and you can reach out to creators that are making money on the internet, like someone like me. And anyone that is serious with their YouTube channel, you will see that you can see an email that you can send to them, or you can check them and reach out to them via their social handles. Like almost all my YouTube videos, if you go through the description towards the end, you are going to see the link to all my social media handles. So how do you create the content, the case studies? You can interview them one-on-one, or you can even do voiceovers with PowerPoint explaining, showing their videos or showing their pictures and all that. And how do you make money with it? You make money through AdSense, because if you have up to 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours, you get monetized, and you are going to be getting paid via your videos, because adverts will be placed on your videos. And another way you can make money, you can also be coaching, because one thing is that everybody loves what works. So the moment you do something that works and people see that it's working, they will always reach out for you. You can start consultation, you can also do affiliate marketing and all that. So these are just 5 in the challenge, in the Telegram group where the challenge is taking place. I'm going to give you top 50 niches. So if you are interested, comment interested in the comment section of this video so that I can give you the link to join, or you can check the description of this video to join the challenge. And the question now right that I have for you is, which niche will you start with right now among all of them? And if you are already a YouTuber and you are confused, you don't know what to talk about, or you are confused the niche that you are talking about, you are not getting traction and you are finding yourself unmotivated, I want to let you know that you can always change. If you scroll down right now and check my videos, the one I started earlier, what I was talking about before is not what I'm talking about right now currently. And that is why I always encourage upcoming content creators, upcoming YouTubers to, if you are starting your YouTube channel, just use your name. Don't use other, like maybe, let me say, if I want to start a YouTube channel now, imagine I said POS business with IJAPARI. That means that is, I limit myself, okay? So you can just, your channel name can be just your name, except if you have already have a following with a particular name, or you have branded yourself with a particular name that you already have following, that you can just come and start. But if you are new, start with your name, because what you start with might not be what you continue with. And myself right now, even what I'm talking about right now might not be what I will talk about in the nearest future. I see myself maybe doing lifestyle video, maybe filming myself cooking and any other thing. So you should be able to be free. Don't confine yourself. That's why we update, and we also mention different niches so that you pivot. You can check this one. If it's not working for you, you can change to another one. Feel free. Like, feel free. Even people that are not yet giving birth to, they will still come and still make money on this space, in as much as we are still alive and healthy. So if you have any question, ask in the comment section of this video. If you have not liked this video up until this time, haba, what did I do to you? Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.